when do you call a lawyer? Obviously, not when you're feeling bored and looking for a buddy, but when the time comes, you need to be prepared to make the right choices that would suit your interest best. Marcovus was driving his car on the usual day after work, eagerly awaiting to get home and enjoy the rest of the day. There was nothing special about today, as things hadn't changed after the last.
Can you fix this? Can you fix that? Computers are older than my grandma. What am I, a magician?
Yet even with experience come small mistakes that can have consequences on your insurance settlements.
Today, mashed potatoes day.
This is why it is advisable to stick to the law, so the law can protect you without hesitation.
Gotta get to the top. Smug the... What the...
You get into an accident, stay calm and assess the situation, especially your own health. Not always can you see your injuries, especially when they're internal. Call the police and report the accident. It can be tempting to just talk it over with the other driver and settle it unofficially. Injuries from car accidents can take time before coming to light. Do not forget to archive as much evidence as possible using your phone.
You broke my radio, man! I'm sorry too, but that was my favorite radio!
What you should never do is to apologize to the other driver, since such can incriminate you as to admitting guilt. After the official part is over, go to a hospital for an evaluation of your injuries, since the document you'll be given is necessary for your insurance claim. Tricky part now comes in regards to getting compensation, since insurance companies will try all the legal tricks to minimize that. In this case, getting a good car accident attorney is the best way to have your interests defended. You might be wondering if it's worth the price, but know that you can find an incredible attorney who deduct those payments after you've been paid off for a percentage of the total sum.
Tell you what, you in case I give you half my canned peaches and a few tomato cans. Yeah, we make deal, yes, big deal, yes, let's go deal.
Of course, you can try to dispute this all by yourself, but the question remains if you've got all this time of learning the hoops and dealing with relentless bureaucracy. What if you make mistakes along the way? If and when such an accident happens, stay calm, archive everything, go for the formal route, get an attorney and enjoy the reimbursement back to health.